Welcome to WoodmenLife.com, where you'll find all of the information you need to learn about, enroll in, and access your Woodmen Life benefits. Find all of the forms and contact information you need in the resources section, and feel free to direct those covered under your plans to the site. As a public, mobile-friendly site, WoodmenLife.com can be accessed anytime, anywhere. As a Woodmen Life associate, you may choose from two group health plans, the Select HRA and Select HSA. The first option is the Select HRA, a health reimbursement account. The deductible for this plan is $2,000 if you select coverage for yourself only, or $4,000 if you're also covering additional family members. Once you've met half of your deductible, expenses beyond that amount can be reimbursed by Woodmen Life. Deductible expenses include lab, X-ray, hospital stays, and specialist visits. This plan is more similar to traditional plans, as it includes co-payments for doctor visits and prescription medications. If your entire reimbursement dollar balance is not used, and you continue coverage under this plan for the following year, half of the remaining balance at the end of the year will be available for reimbursement the following year. This plan may be a good choice if you like having co-payments or regularly expensive medications. The second plan offered is the Select HSA plan, our health savings account plan. The HSA is a high deductible plan with a deductible of $1,500 if you select coverage for yourself only, or $3,000 if you are also covering additional family members. Because the HSA does not include any co-payments, all covered services including physician and prescription drugs are paid out of pocket and count towards your deductible. After your deductible is met, you share in a percentage of the costs until your out-of-pocket maximum is satisfied. One of the significant benefits of this plan is the access to a health savings account. Woodmen Life will deposit funds into this account throughout the year totaling $500 for associate only and $1,000 for associate plus coverages. You have the opportunity to deposit funds on a pre-tax basis into this account as well. Once the funds are deposited, you can use those dollars towards any out-of-pocket expenses, including deductible expense. If you do not use the funds within the plan year, they continue to accumulate for future expenses. One of the biggest benefits of the HSA is that there is no use it or lose it restriction. If you are an individual who likes to be in control of your health expenses and would like the opportunity to plan for future expenses, or if the majority of your out-of-pocket expenses can be covered by Woodmen Life deposit, this plan may be the best for you. Please note, if you are a new associate, your HRA and HSA dollars will be prorated the first year based on the coverage effective date. The premium or monthly cost deducted from your paycheck for each of these plans is based on your participation in Woodmen Life's Wellbeing Program. The Wellbeing Program provides discounted health premiums, as well as resources to encourage healthy behaviors associated with mind, body, and spirit. Your personal information can be reviewed by logging onto the Guidance Resources website. You may choose from two dental plans, the Freedom Dental Plan or the Preferred PDP Plan. The main difference between these plans is that the Freedom Plan allows you to visit an in- or out-of-network dentist and receive the same benefit percentage, while the PDP plan offers in- and out-of-network benefits. The general rule of thumb is to select the PDP plan and take advantage of lower premiums if your dentist is in the MetLife Dental Network. If your dentist is not in the network, then the Freedom Plan may be the best option, so you can get a higher level of benefit, whether visiting an in- or out-of-network dentist. In-network discounts are negotiated for both plans, so it's always best to see an in-network provider when possible. MetLife requires no ID cards. When visiting your dentist, simply let them know that you work for Woodmen Life and your dental insurance is through MetLife. As with dental insurance, you will save the most money on vision by visiting in-network providers. We offer one plan for vision, and no ID cards are necessary. When visiting your eye doctor, let them know that you work for Woodmen Life and your vision insurance is through VSP. Prepaid Legal gives you access to legal counsel in your area for services including estate planning, family law, document preparation, real estate, and traffic violations. This benefit covers you and your family members. If you choose to participate, the cost for prepaid legal will be deducted from your paycheck each pay period. You will not be charged any additional fees when you visit your attorney. Woodmen Life will provide you with disability coverage and life insurance when you meet certain requirements. This includes life insurance equal to 1 times your earnings. You will also have the option to purchase additional 1 or 2 times your earnings up to a maximum of $400,000. Additional disability coverage is also available for purchase. If you're considering additional life insurance or disability coverage, it's better to enroll when you're first eligible, as you will have to provide evidence of insurability if you add it later. We also encourage you to review your beneficiaries annually to make sure everything is current. As a WoodmenLife associate, you're eligible to contribute to the 401k plan. WoodmenLife will match your contributions to the plan dollar for dollar up to 5% of your salary. Beginning on your first anniversary, WoodmenLife also deposits a service-related contribution into your account. This amount increases as your years of service do. You receive these service-related contributions no matter how much you are contributing to your 401k. When you reach 15 or more years of service, you will receive a 6% service-related contribution. If you are also contributing at least 5%, you will also receive a 5% matching contribution. In total, you'll be investing 16% of the amount of your total earnings, with you contributing 5% and WoodmenLife contributing 11%. Flexible spending accounts are also available for home office associates, recruiting sales managers, and regional directors. There are 2 different types of flexible spending accounts. The healthcare flexible spending account allows you to contribute pre-tax dollars to be used for health, dental, and vision expenses. However, those enrolled in the Select HSA are limited to dental and vision expenses only. WoodmenLife also offers a dependent care FSA. This allows you to contribute pre-tax dollars for use on daycare expenses for your children under the age of 13 or for elderly or disabled dependents. Both of these accounts include a use it or lose it provision at the end of the year. Any funds not used by the end of the year will be forfeited. Please choose the amount of your deduction carefully. Benefit elections will remain in force for the entire calendar year unless you experience a qualifying event such as marriage, divorce, birth of a child, or a dependent's change in status. If you experience one of these qualifying events, you must notify the Benefits Department within 31 days to make a change. Please review thisisWoodmenLife.com for any additional information you may need. Annual enrollment takes place November 1st through 15th.